Alright, y'all, what's going on, Savage Gang? So this is a whole nother day, but it's the same video. But I just had to throw this in, man, to the video because I put a little snippet of the miles per hour in the video, but I really didn't want y'all to see how fast I really was going. But I put a little snippet in there just so y'all can see the actual torque and stuff like that. But for the most part, I just had to let y'all know I really can't put that in the video, so I only put a snippet of like a little piece of it, just so y'all can see what the actual product does. But for the most part, man, I just want y'all to enjoy the video, man, and y'all stay tuned. Let's get back to it. And I'm gonna hit the gas the same exact way. Alright, I'm in a little traffic, so I'm gonna have to wait before I change the setting, but y'all did see how those numbers jumped as soon as I got on the gas. I mean, today's video, man. Oh, excuse me, first. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that post notification bell so every time I post, I'll be right in your face with it. As I was saying, man, in today's video, man, we will be installing a new mod to the Charger. Now, I was real skeptical about getting this part right now, but after watching one video on YouTube, which I will put the link in the description below, but after watching that video, I was sold. Now, it's somebody else who I've already started watching way before now that has already installed this on his Charger, but I was still a little skeptical about it. But hey, man, I went on ahead and got it. So in a minute, I'm gonna show y'all what we're working with. I'm gonna show y'all how to install it, and we're gonna go from there, man. This is gonna be another banger, I promise y'all, man. Y'all don't wanna miss it. You hit that post notification bell? Did you subscribe to the channel? All right, cool. Oh, did you like it? All right, bet. Here we go, y'all. So in today's video, man, we will be installing a pedal box. Like I said, man, I've seen previous people install it on their cars, and I was still a little skeptical about it. But I went out on a whim and said I'm finna get it. All right, y'all, so as soon as my cameraman get here, we gonna go from there, man. But y'all just stay tuned, man, because I swear this right here finna be a banger. And I'm not finna play when I install this. So y'all just stay tuned, man. And as soon as my cameraman get here, I promise y'all, man, we gonna go up from there. One more thing, Savage Gang. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. A lot of times y'all watch the video, y'all don't like to like it, man. It don't take you number 3-4 seconds, if that, to click the like button. That's all I want y'all to do. Hit that subscribe button, man. Make sure you hit that post notification bell so every single time I post, man, I'll be right in your face with it.
This is Super L Track.
Alright, so now that we are installing my pedal box, we're just gonna follow the instructions so we can tune it to the car. So first, start by turning on the ignition. Press and hold the plus and minus for 3 seconds. All right. Slowly press the accelerator pedal from the neutral position to the full throttle position. Now press and hold the blinking program button for 3 seconds. All right, now we good to go. What's going on, Savage Gang? Same day, different day, same video. All right, so in a minute, I'm gonna get y'all some pulls in my car. I've had the pedal box on for about a week or so, week and a half. And it's a reason why I haven't dropped the video yet. I actually gotta make 2 parts to the video. One part is me doing some pulls outside of the car, letting you all see how it looks when it's pulling. And the simple fact, I got a ticket. All right, so I got a ticket when I actually did the first review on the car. I was inside of the car on the interstate when I got the ticket, which I will be telling y'all about that in a second. But as soon as my cameraman pull up, we're gonna head to the location and we're gonna get some pulls. I was gonna try to do the pulls like in a secure location, but I can't find one, so I'm just doing where I did my burnout at. Where as soon as they get here, we're gonna head to the location, man, and we're gonna get it popping from there. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so remember how I told y'all I got a ticket? I got one. So basically I was on the interstate going from one exit to the next, and I was trying to test out the pedal box to see exactly what it do. Cool. So I got up to like 116. Actually, it was a little over 116, but when he clocked me at 116. Now I explained to him the situation, what it is and what it was, and basically he wasn't trying to hit it. But I mean, at the end of the day, yeah, I should have picked the more secluded area. I'm not saying I was in the wrong, I'm not saying I wasn't in the wrong, but I mean, I did tell him I was shooting a video reviewing the product, which I was. So to me, it makes a significant difference. It gives you all of your horsepower at the press of your throttle. You get tapping it, I mean, your car gonna jerk. I mean, it jerk now, but when it's in Sport Plus or Sport, I mean, you feel a tremendous difference. I'm not gonna lie to you. So I would highly recommend this product to anybody that feels like they want to make their car even more fun than what it already is. I am very satisfied with this purchase. Like I said, I recommend this product to anybody that wants to, you know, make their car a little more fun than what it already is. Yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for this video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all enjoyed the pulls that y'all saw. Even though I did give me a ticket, man, I still enjoyed the product. I'm not even joking. But like I said, high end every single last one of my videos. Stay up, stay safe, stay blessed. And I always remember, man, it's a savage world, and in this world, you can be whatever it is that you want to be. Yes, sir.